How to download Chinese TikTok Douyin on your mobile phone if you don't live in China. Hey guys, welcome to a quick tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and get Douyin on your mobile phone if you don't live in China. So let's go. The first thing you're going to do is open up your app store, and once you open it up, if I show you and if I search for Douyin, you'll be able to see that it does not show the app because it's not available outside China. To fix that, you're going to open up your account settings. After selecting account settings, click on your profile settings, and then you're going to select country and region. Here, you're going to change your country to China. You have to select, you can see we have all the countries. Select China mainland. This is the one you have to select. Select it and change your country. Once you do that, you'll be able to download any kind of Chinese application, especially Douyin. Then you can search, you can refresh and search again, and you'll be able to see that now you can download. You can anytime change your country back to US or any other country that you already had. This is the easiest way to get Douyin on your mobile phone, and you'll be able to also download other applications such as RedNote and more. I hope this video was a big help. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.